Hey everybody, my name's TJ. Welcome to my channel here. I have a 2008 GMC Sierra. I post a couple videos here and there on little upgrades that I do to it. The upgrade I'm going to go through today is I'm going to upgrade the key fob. So the key fob, I'm going to replace the old one like this, like these. This one's a little worn out. I'm going to replace it with the new style. Like here, what you may find in the newer GMCs and Silverados from 15 and newer. So let's go hop in the truck and get it checked out. We are sitting in the truck. First things first, when you're programming a key, or not the key, but the key fob, the new ones, you want to make sure that you have all the keys that you want to work in the truck. So I have my new one, and I have this one here, and I have the old worn out one. I want them all to work. They all work now, and so I want them to all continue to work. So I'm gonna make sure you have them all, because when it relearns, it knocks out any ones that it had, any key fobs that it had previous. So you want to make sure you have all those so you don't lose it and have to do it all again. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and start the truck up. I'll show you this view here. There we go. I love this truck. It runs so good. Okay, once you get the truck running, you want to come over here and make sure that you unlock the truck. And then you want to come over here and press the information button until you see that on the dash. Press the check mark to relearn the remote keys. Then you press the check mark that's down here. Press that, and then it's active for learning the keys. Then you take your new key right here. I'm going to do this with one hand. And you press both the lock and the unlock button at the same time. So you press both of those buttons down. So you hear that beep. Then you just follow that process with all the other keys, like I said before, because it will deprogram them when it learns a new one. There we go. And look at that. I just did three keys in under a minute here. So it's super easy. You can do it. I appreciate you guys watching this video all the way through. Oh, we forgot to check. Let's make sure that they works. Okay. Working fine. If you like what I did here, please like and share my video. You can do this upgrade on your truck. It's super easy. The part was 50 bucks shipped to my house, so not bad, and it looks cooler too. Anyways, if you don't mind subscribing, that'd be great. I got some other videos coming up on some upgrades I'm doing to my truck. I really appreciate it. Everybody, have a great day. See ya.